around 300 kilometers for Wayun. The two vehicles, the Jeep and the Mercedes. Now the good news is that we are at a really beautiful place right on the coast of the Atlantic Ocean. But the bad news is that something happened with the Mercedes. Нямаме климатик. Баси майка.
Заминало ли?
Да. The aircon just blew up and now we don't have aircon. The good news is that it's not that hot, but I suppose that after we pass Mauritania, it's gonna be damn hot. So how's the Jeep running? It's a Jeep thing.
It's a Jeep thing.
It's a Jeep thing.
It is.
Cops stopped us a couple of times. They got him for speeding.
Can you imagine a Jeep speeding? That's absolutely unbelievable.
I think it's good luck to pee on your tire. I did it a couple of times. For now it's okay, but the aircon showed it differently. That's the status report. Mercedes, a really nice vehicle. First problem, it started overheating. And I'm not sure what exactly happened, but we started losing some coolant. After that, I put in some coolant, but there was an air bubble. And right now, when we tried to fix it, because it's old plastic, it made a bigger problem. It broke off a plastic piece that goes in the internal heating matrix. And right now I am trying to do a bypass right here, and it's so up its ass, this C-clip, that I can't even get to it, so that I can just cut off the heater matrix and make it only a closed circuit for the engine. God damn it. And I so much love these fucking Mercedes. So after a long day with beautiful sceneries and some freaking car trouble with the Mercedes, now we can enjoy the local cuisine. Camel toe. Nice. Yummy. Makes my tummy full. That the Mercedes totally fucked up. The head gasket blew up and we called the reinforcements. Let's see if they can help us. Okay, we're in the service shop and fixing the Mercedes. Situation is not good. Engine gasket, cylinder head gasket. What was the saying? Better get a Toyota.
Get a Toyota.
Don't buy Mercedes, buy Toyota. You see, that's what they say also. Everybody says that.
Even Jeep guys.
Even Jeep guys say buy a Toyota. And not a Land Rover, because look what happens with Land Rovers. You see? Range Rover. This is a Range Rover. Sorry, Range Rover. So what? How are you? Are you okay with the race?
Oh man,
a lot of off-roading, right?
We have a team Biorina.
Yeah, with a Toyota. The best Toyota, right?
Yeah, the best Toyota you can have.
It doesn't break down except the front shock absorbers.
Yeah, sometimes.
But shit happens, right?
Minor.
Minor issues. Some shock absorbers. It's not an engine like the freaking Mercedes, but still, it's great. Here it is, the Toyota. And we have another there, right over there, FJ Cruiser. The guy that saved us. Next time we're here and the Mercedes gets it fixed. Otherwise, your Mercedes. Oh, here's the Mercedes. They're taking it. This is not gonna happen with our Mercedes if it's not fixed. My beloved Mercedes. Piece of shit crap vehicle. So, A 5-minute job, they say. Damn. It doesn't look like a 5-minute job to me, but there's a saying in my country which they usually use when this kind of thing occurs, and it is Budapest-Bamako. I won't translate it because it's obvious that the situation is not good. But we'll see. I have a lot of hope in these mechanics because obviously there are all kinds of Mercedes here and everybody's working on them. But we'll see. Good morning, everybody. I'm back again. I have a smile on my face because I'm seeing the light in the tunnel. Our 15-minute job became like a 2-day job, changing the entire cylinder head. It's right now cleaned up, done, machined by hand.
So it was a hand job.
Yep, it was a really good hand job. It was like scratching. The DJ is scratching all over the place. So, the main issue that we had right now was that we had to pass the Mauritanian border in the morning, but we couldn't manage that. They closed the border at 6 o'clock, so this means that we have to spend one more night in Morocco somewhere. After that, early in the morning, pass the border, go to Nouakchott. We will miss the sleep in the bivouac in the nighttime, so we'll see how what's gonna work out. Everything is completely freestyle, rock and roll. We don't know what's gonna happen. We're all together, three teams right now. Estonian and Lithuanian team joined us right now with their Audi Quattro. So let's see tomorrow what's gonna happen. We're on the way. We have like 370 kilometers. We have to drive to our hotel close to the Moroccan-Mauritanian border, and we're gonna drive probably 4 hours. That's a good case scenario. The vehicle is running well for now. It seems that we don't have any issues for now. Let's hope so. Okay, so these are obviously the sand plows. They're cleaning the sand from the road. Oh, that's the bulldozer, it's not a sand plow. Yeah, a lot of trucks, a lot of everything. A really narrow road. So in the middle of nowhere. When you're desperate, you're desperate. Shovel. And a toilet seat. Only way to do it. So, censorship, please.